Hey guys, welcome back to my Zodiac series. Today we're doing Libra, this look right here. Libras are element air. Their colors are pink and green. Their ruler is Venus. And they are usually cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, and fair-minded. They're very social people, but they can sometimes be indecisive and they hate conflict. So they really don't like confrontations. Sometimes they can carry a little bit of a grudge and have a bit of self-pity. So for my inspiration for this look, it's Kimberly Margarita again, as always, this look right here, and let's get going. Okay, so first I am actually going to take care of my hair, get it out of my face, and just do it how I'm going to do it for the whole look. So I'm doing space buns, really tight space buns and smooth space buns. So clipping off one side first, smoothing it out, and then putting the rest of my hair up. I like to twist my hair really tight and then wrap it around. I'm using these like little plastic hair bands, those ones that look like keyring holders. I really like them a lot. Space bun's done, a little bit of singing, let's keep going. Now I'm going to take care of my eyebrows. I've done this eyebrow tutorial blocking out my eyebrows in other videos, so I will link those below, and we're done. Now I'm going to take some Tarte Lid Lock in the shade Buff and put that on my eyelids, and going in with the BH Festival Weekend Festival Cosmetic Palette in that aqua shade. I'm laying down aqua first because I didn't have a green quite bright enough to be on its own, so I decided to lay down aqua first and then go over it with the green shade, which I'll show you later. Cleaning my brush off in between with my Restore brush cleaner. I will also link that below. It's amazing. Now I'm going with that pink, that light pink shade, kind of giving myself some blush, some highlight, a little bit on the neck. And now we're going in with that green shade that I mentioned before, all over the places that I put aqua. It kind of gives it a nice, more blue-green tone, which is what I wanted. And now I'm taking that same pink shade I took on my cheeks and I'm putting it in my crease, above my crease. We're going to start carving out our cut crease here really soon. So I'm just laying down my base. Now I'm taking Liquid Camouflage by Catrice and a little packed synthetic brush to lay down my cut crease. To lay down the cut crease, you kind of can create a stamp with it. So you lay it down and then you look upwards and it kind of creates a stamp where your normal line has to go. So that's a really handy tip. And now I'm laying down my underline on my bottom waterline, and I just use that same aqua color and I'm going over it again with that green color. Sorry, I'm so low in the corner of the screen, guys. And I'm winging it out really far. So I took an angled brush and that same aqua color, and I'm winging it out from my bottom line. I didn't go from my top line, I went from my bottom. Again, taking a little bit of Maskcara Stay setting spray and getting some of that green pigment on there. And now I'm going in with that super light, like iridescent shade in the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette called Spirit, I believe. Patting that on with my finger and some NYX liquid white liner. I use this stuff pretty much on the rest of my face. Anywhere you see white, I used the NYX liquid white liner. I also painted my bottom lashes, and I will be painting my top lashes later. Draw some lines over top of that green liner, and some NYX cream pencil for my bottom waterline. Now for the eyebrows. This is super tough, but you just gotta wing it. You just gotta wing it and trust. The first one went on really smooth, and I really loved it. And then it just kept getting harder from there. But hey, I made it work. It all looked okay in the end. And now I'm drawing a couple of triangles on top of those fake brows. I just really like how triangles look, and I think that because Libra tries to be so fair, a triangle is a great kind of look for that. It's also, you know, the element air is a triangle shape, so I kind of brought that in since they are an air sign. Now some highlighter. Highlight those cheekbones. I'm using the Aura palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Highlight my nose, the tip, and my Cupid's bow. Now for lips, so use these little cream pots. I've got them from a Halloween store, and I use them in a lot of these looks because their pigment is so good. So I laid down that aqua shade and put a little bit of green over top, and now I'm going in with the flower like metal shock kind of shades that they have, and did it right on the center. Now for painting my top lashes, that's pretty much it. After this, we are finito. It's really hard to paint your lashes. That's it, guys. That's all it took. It was actually pretty long, but it came out really good. I really like the way it looks. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Makeup and Magic. See you later, guys.